Exercise 3.2 of class 10th was to all sums. What I am going to explain. Question is saying solution you have to give graphically. Okay, so 10 students of class 10th, in that 4 more than the number of boys. Girls are 4 more than the number of boys. So find the number of girls and took part in the quiz. So let the number of girls is equal x, boys b is equal y, x plus y is equal 10. When we add to both, we get 10. When we are trying to compare x minus y, then we are getting x's value more than y is 4. By equation first, on applying values of x is equal 5 comma 4. So on the place of x we have to apply 5 plus y is equal 10. When we change into another side, we get 10 minus 5, y is equal 5. 4 plus y on the place of x is equal 4. So 4 plus y is equal 10, y is equal 10 minus 4, y is equal 6. In the box we use all values same as I got. Now by equation second, on applying values of x is equal 1 to 1 minus y is equal 4 minus y is equal 4 minus 1, when changed into another side to this sign, as I can write here, y is equal minus 3. Then 2 minus y is equal 4 minus y is equal 4 minus 2 minus y is equal 2. When we change to this sign like this, so we can get y is equal minus 2. And this box we can make like this to show graphically to this sum. So how will you show? As I told you that how as you have to take 1 minus 3. So this part of x and this part of y. So x part is in plus, so you have to take in this side. You got this because minus 3 is here. So minus 3 and 1 minus 3, 2 look here, 2 same like here, and you will get the values of the sum. Another sum is 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost 50. Look here, 5 pencils value is x, and pen value pencil value is equal x, pen's value is equal y. So 5x plus 7y, when we add to both, we get 50. So we get 50. Another 7x plus 5y is equal 46. First equation, second equation. This sum also was saying that you have to apply. You will show me your solution graphically. So by equation first, on taking values of x is equal 3, 0, and on solving you will get to these values. Look here, hope you understand. 3 5 is 15, 15 minus 35 upon 7 and 50, y is equal 50 upon 7. Y is equal 50 upon 7, we can write to this like if we divide to this, 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are about 7.1. I will tell why I have done to this. We can write like this, okay? And now by equation second, on taking values of x is equal 3 comma 4. Now by equation second, on taking values of x is equal 3 4, same like as I told you. Hope you understood very clearly. Same you have to make here graph. I have done, you must try to understand. Now I will solve one sum from each question. Here comparing the ratio, look, a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2. This sum is saying intersect or at a point are parallel or coincident. Is this question okay? I'm coming on point. 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal 0, 7x 6y. So look, A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. So leaving x and y, you have to write denoting the values. A1 is equal 5, B1 is equal minus 4, C1 is equal 8, A2 is equal 7, B2 is equal 6 and C2 is equal minus 9. By method, what is method? Method is here. A1 upon A2 is equal B1 upon B2 is equal C1 upon C2. Then to apply the values A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. Look here, A1 and B1. Here you are not getting equal values, so unequal. Hence the lines representing the given pair of equations have a unique solution. The pair of lines intersects of exactly one point. You will write to this intersect. Okay, so another sum, 3x plus 2y is equal 5, 2x minus 3y is equal 7. So A1 same like that, you have to solve to this and you will get here unequally. These linear equations are intersecting each other at one point and thus have only one possible solution. Hence the pair of linear equation is consistent. You will write as much. You have to solve left all sums as much in this exercise. X plus y is equal 5, 2x plus 2y is equal 10. Then you will solve same like this by method and you will get to this. And then you have to make box. If you can't understand, please comment me. I will make again one video, another for your understanding. And now fifth number sum, let the length is equal x and width is equal y, when x minus y is equal 4 and x plus y 36. Then on adding, when we add, so minus plus will be cancelled, xx 2x, 4 36 40, x is equal 40 upon 2, x is equal 20 on applying value of x in equation first. So we can write 20 minus y is equal 4 minus y is equal 4 minus 20 minus y is equal 16. Y is equal 16. So what will be x? X will be 20. How? 16 20, how much? 36. By equation first. Here you can understand to this sum, intersecting, parallel and coincident. These lines, intersecting lines, this equation has been given, okay, and another equation for intersecting lines. You can take according you any equation, but that equation will be prefer to this. A1 A2 B1 B2 will be not equal. So we have taken this equation. Look here, A1 A2 and now 3 upon 4. When you started to solve, look here, on comparison, A1 A2 B1 B2, both values must be same, but here not same. So this will be intersecting lines. Parallel lines, in parallel lines you have to take another equation which will be same, 1 upon 2, okay, A1, and look here, in parallel lines. A1, A2, B1, B2 must be same. Coincident lines. In coincident lines, here try to understand intersecting lines mostly unequal. A1 and B1 unequal. Parallel lines A1, B1 will be same value. Coincident lines, look here, I have taken this equation for making to this same value for all the threes. Okay, if there is any problem, please comment and tell me